Hello, once again, welcome to my channel, GIJO Gadgets YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing this HDMI video converter. Okay, so before I begin, please remember to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell notification for future video. Thank you. Today now I'm using my Icon. Okay, so this is the video that you're watching. I'm using my Icon H9R camera. So I'm actually putting the SD card, memory card. So this is capturing using the video HD. Okay, so I have a few cameras, you know, like what I have here. This is Canon BRAVIA H21 SF. Okay, so it's quite older model camera. Okay, see, okay, there is the USB input, but then I cannot convert this into a live streaming or what you call a webcam. Okay, and also I have one here. I'm using this Canon EOS 700D, so it's the same thing. There's a USB port, but still cannot use as a webcam. Okay, so I figured out and I got this for myself. This is HDMI video capture USB dongle. Okay, so I just show you. So this is it. Okay, HDMI video capture. Alright, so came with a manual, as you can see. Is a manual instruction, okay, with in English and also in Chinese. Okay, so in order to use this, you must have your HDMI cable with you. That you have a HDMI head and also at the end HDMI to connect to your camera. Okay, so these are the two different type of HDMI. So this end supposing to connect to this USB dongle. Okay, so this is how it's connected. Okay, so I believe it's a plug and play. So I'm using Windows 10. So let's find out. Okay, I'm gonna connect to my USB 3. Okay, and this end I'm going to connect to this camera. Okay, so let's just find out if it works. Okay, so the HDMI port is over here. Oops, see that over here? Okay, so okay, one way. Okay, now it's connected, so I can switch it on now. Okay, there. So okay, yep, it's power on, right? Okay, better turn on. So okay, so let's open my OBS Studio and let's try out. Okay, there you are. So I need to add a new video capture device, video capture device 2. Okay, oh, immediately I can see with USB video. Okay, so okay, wow, big size. Okay, let's go for studio mode. Hello there. Okay, looks good. Okay, very clear. But now I have a problem with this zoom. So which means whatever that I see on my camcorder, oops, Okay, so whatever I see on my camcorder, it will show on the screen as well. Okay. Okay. Well, that is really clear. So if I just do a recording, well, okay, now I get it. So I think basically this is how it works. Alright, so this is it. So power off. Yep, disconnect. Oops. So this is very small, tiny, like a pen drive, size of a thumb. Okay, made in China. So I think that's all about it. Thank you for watching.